Hey, I'll be doing a cover of Payphone by Maroon5. After my last video, I've had a few requests to do another song. I've had trouble trying to find one, and I hope I made the right decision choosing this song. Also, I can't do the rap bit, so I'm just gonna stop it before then. So, sorry if you guys like that bit. Yeah. Enjoy. At a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? I know it's hard to remember what we used to be. I know it's harder to picture, but you're not here next to me. It's too late to make it, say it's too late to try. All of the bridges burned down, I've wasted my nights. You have turned out the lights, now I'm paralyzed. You stuck in that time, then we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Ever after dead exist, you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. Give my life to borrow, but you just gave it away. Expect me to be fine, don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of the bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time that we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? 'Cause happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. At a payphone. Thank you. I'd also like to shout out Josh White and Ruth Joseph, who I miss very deeply. She moved away recently. I miss her a lot. My sister Paige, my sister Caitlin, my best friend Duncan, also Jaden, who lives over a long way away. I miss him a lot. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.